The experts of the tuning studio Larte Design treat the Mercedes-Benz brand cars with special care, developing for them first-class body kits with aggressive stylistics. The latest example is the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe with a new carbon fiber body kit. Despite quite serious changes in appearance, the tuners managed to keep and emphasize all the best features of the Stuttgart cross-coupe and did it no worse than their colleagues from Hamann, Brabus, or Lumma Design. The basic elements of the tuning kit for the GLE63 S Coupe are custom bumpers, front air diffusers, and rear diffusers. Besides that, numerous inserts made of carbon fiber appeared on the body of the Mercedes-AMG Coupe crossover. In particular, they can be found on the skirts of sills and front wings. Also on the body, there is a place for a few brand logos Atelier Larte Design. For the more demanding customers, Larte Design has additional options, including a revised grille, more expressive front splitter, front bumper insert, and a special rear diffuser. Certainly, the example of the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe shown in the photos shows the extended package. The company Larte Design has justly decided that the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe is a very powerful car and it does not need additional boosting. We shall remind you that the model is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, which develops 612 horsepower and 850 Nm. With this, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, developing speeds up to 170 miles per hour. The customers can also choose additional options. Then you already get a completely different front splitter, a special grille, and an even more expressive rear diffuser. The tuner gave a photo of the car with a full stuffing. As a whole, the whole upgrade is unexpectedly unpretentious, especially if you compare it with what other tuners offer for GLE Coupe. Take top car, Hamann, or Lumma at least. The price for modifications is not announced. Russian tuning atelier Larte Design, created in the early 2000s by specialists in automobile construction and design, has been rapidly developing in recent years, offering its clients to individualize the look of their cars. Our company has managed to establish itself as a strong player in its industry, winning the recognition of customers and car professionals both in Russia and abroad. The main vector of the company's development in the past 3 years was entering the markets of Europe and America. Since 2012, the company has opened offices in Germany and the US and participated in numerous international exhibitions and car shows in Germany, the US, and Monaco.